Here is amazing because the volcanic soil is amazing. So we give farmers like Vin more plants to grow
Not bad.
which helps provide for Vin's family.
Not bad at all.
Smoother tasting cup of coffee. Green Mountain Coffee Roasters. No matter how much life pushes us
over here on a lightweight tune and adjust, and I was listening to this old school PSK, and the way this bass came in, that's some different bass I ain't heard out of a bike. Listen to this. See something here.
Always say, what the hell is that mean? Being for the people who can't understand. I won home for it, became a man. As for the way we scream and shout, one by one, I'm knocking out. Came for the way my DJ, other MC.
Oh, timed out. That's what you do on this. Turn it off. Bring it back on. It's back. CVO kind of stuff. It times out. Don't let you sit there and play forever. My name's Car Stereo. Just letting you see what I see. Trying to work it out. We out.
Not without the ball play. Okay, cool. Not without the first day.
Kind of busy today. A lot of traffic today.
I have to wonder if you let me in. You take it nowhere.
Here across the street.
But not without the sprees, babe. Okay, cool. Not without the vacays. No.
I think that'll work. Let me run a few more songs and see what we get out of this. Got it out here, you know. Got to the end. Got the amplifier in. Got the bag in on this side over here. Red color matched. Got your lowers in over the radiators. Got your speakers up front. Little secret sauce here and there. Can't really talk too much about those items. So we got this Alpine double din, but it's a what do you call that? A media center. So it's not a full complete radio because it has no moving parts inside of it. Okay, see. Now you see it beeps when you touch on it. Has a nice equalizer setup. You can fade it front to rear. Got your basic bass and treble and mid-range. EQs, you have your different settings, and you also have some programmable stuff. Say for example, custom, bam, and you can move it around and set it up how you want to. So that's a Alpine ILX W650. But to get a double din radio into a Road Glide, this bike had no radio when it got here, so you have to do some modifying to interfering. And you know, you need a dashboard kit, hand control kit, and all that stuff. Let's move over here. So you know, I got different sets up in here how I'm run with it. So you know, hit there and press play.
Your image of me, but my style of love is totally free. I put it where you want it, as long as you need it. I'll make it good, and I won't mistreat. Oh baby, I wanna do something freaky to you, baby.
So yeah, he said he want to do something freaky to you. Yeah. So I'm like, all right, that'll work. You know, it cleaned up real nice. Had to put a little wax on it when we got here because it was shiny when it got here. I don't know what the weather gonna be like when we take it back home, back to Los Angeles, that is. But y'all be on the lookout, Money's Car Stereo. You know, we be a little bit of here, a little bit of everywhere, and we're gonna end it like this.
Oh, let me freak you, girl. I wanna do something freaky to you right now.
Let's see what we do today. So what made you decide to go into Alpine Radio?
It was a nice, clean unit, and I like Alpine.
Yeah. After I got a plan with it, I said, okay, this is pretty nice.
Do what it need to do.
Mm-hmm.
Seem like.
And it's seamless on the front, nice, smooth across the front. Whenever you get tired looking at that, you can peel that little corner off and you can have access to the whole screen. That's the protector that's on it right now.
Like on the mirror.
Yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna let you peel that off yourself.
We put it on the ground. We'll clean it up and get it together. Got a few more things that need to be done. And we'll,
Oh, okay.
You know.
I was gonna ask you, man, how you plan on getting that plate on back here?
That who?
The license plate.
It go on the box.
Oh, okay.
No?
Well, yeah, it goes on the box, but you don't want to have to be stuck with the box forever.
Well, I might have to.
Figure out some other ways to adapt it into there.
Yeah.
Into the game, yeah.
Gotcha.
Brandy, Dark Child, Ace Kid, all I'm on the rise. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I went from Helly Mansion to mini mansions. The girls in the Uber doing belly dances. Been half of my advancing, jars from Branson. To make it through my circumstances. But you know I'm wiser now. Move like Kaiser now. Got a butter soft cover just to hide my pound. Got a house in the valley, come and find me now. Got enough dough to buy the town. So I might
That's
give
what I'm
a
saying,
six
you
to
want
my
it to be
chick.
clear.
Benz to my mom.
If you sound like
So
static,
big, it look like
everything
the
else around you gonna sound like static.
That loud, that 100 and you don't hear nothing?
Yeah.
People say that I'm not the same girl. They say I think that I'm in my own world. What makes them think that?
I got a question for you. What size tire are we looking at, man? That's a big motherfucker back there. I just caught this last night staring at it. I said, there's some extra stuff. What is this, a 200?
I don't, that's the one that was on the box.
Oh, okay. Man, so what brought you to Money's Car Stereo today?
Money's Car Stereo brought me here to up-tune my music. I didn't have any music.
Okay. So how did you know of me? You said you ran to me at DO's and got my number. Well, what made you say I'm with that? I'm gonna check that dude out.
Well, you know, I like to venture out. You know, I'm a soul businessman myself, black man. And
Yeah.
You know, I like good work, quality work. You
Okay.
know.
So you saw.
I give a fella a chance.
Gave me a chance? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Well, I appreciate it, man. I'm hoping people see what you see and they may come see me. You know what I'm saying?
Red thing, man.
The red thing.
It'll be
I
out
told
there,
y'all,
man.
I call him Mr. Detail, y'all, because he showed me some stuff I ain't seen in a while from some of these new cats, how you touching every piece of it, you know, and yeah. I'm
Ain't
letting
no
y'all.
need playing with it.
Ain't
Might
no
as well
playing
go
with it.
for it.
Might as well go for it.
Adding pieces and all that. I ain't know none of that.
Ain't no covers up in here.
This right here,
Uh-huh.
I got it in the car.
Uh-huh.
Couldn't get it on right
Yeah.
with the key. But I'm gonna have my dude figure it out.
Oh, okay.
That red brake line.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I see.
It's in the car too.
Okay.
Back chrome brake.
Okay, add the caliber, the chrome caliber and
In the
little
horn.
in the horn. And that's the finishing touches right there, huh?
If you see something else, you tell me.
Okay. I'm gonna review the video. If I see something, I'm gonna holler at you.
And the screw, the whole thing about it,
Yeah.
this screw,
Uh-huh.
and this screw, I just got them chrome before I left the house. Cause I seen them, I was looking at them, and I'm like,
And they're
man,
catching your eye like this is out of place.
I can't do that.
I can't do that.
Can't do that.
Okay, all right, one more question before we let you fire him up. You told me something, CVO owners, if you want to make your bike go into you know, the key don't turn backwards and you work. So how did you fire it up and not have the front lights on? Because I was dazed and confused trying to figure this out, man.
Why, what, the music up?
Yeah, how'd you fire it up?
Well, they got a little button over here on the left side that if you push it and hold it.
Lights, camera, action. Look.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
Hollywood. Ain't no need playing with it.
Oh, man, see, enough said,
Front
man.
lights come on, parking lights come on.
It's just the parking lot, because, you know, I was all the way over here on the run switch. Barry went dead once time on me. Man, you learn something every day, man.
And you had said something in your video about them white lights in the front with the blinkers to turn.
Hit the blinker, man.
I might have to
Oh,
turn.
turn him all the way on? Okay, he all the way on, he lit up. Oh, okay, yeah.
This is $100.
This is $100
Something
bucks?
different.
Okay, something different?
Yeah, something different.
Like I said, man, good dealing with you, baby.
Thank
Let's
you,
get him
buddy.
back on truck so you can get him back down before you get
Appreciate it.
rained on,
Yes, sir.
baby.
All the time.
All right, Money's Car Stereo. We out of here, y'all. He talking.